Hey business owners! Check out our ZMMOTOR Cummins light truck. Tough streamlined exterior. With 3 wheelbase sizes. 33603800420 perfect for flatbed, cargo box and refrigerated refits. Thickened heavy frame and lightweight. Chassis meet global Euro VI standards. Easy registration without overload fines. Step into the single cab. Wide soft seats plus year-round cooling and heating. AC, power windows and enough. Storage reduce driving fatigue. Equipped with Cummins is a 3.8 engine. Strong climbing power and low fuel consumption for city and long-haul transport. Message us to get factory wholesale quotation.